Make it unforgettable. Fresh lemon, delicate elderflower, pure sparkle. No alcohol, just vibes, flavor, and glow. Sip the moment. This is your new favorite.
Looking for a drink that feels like a cocktail but has zero alcohol? Delicate elderflower syrup, light, floral, and beautifully aromatic. Fresh lemon juice, bright, zesty, and full of life. Sparkling lemon water, crisp, bubbly, and incredibly refreshing. A touch of aromatic bitters, adding depth and a sophisticated edge. Crushed ice for that perfectly chilled, refreshing texture. Dehydrated lemon and edible flowers. Elegant, simple, and stunning. Start by adding elderflower syrup, fresh lemon juice, bitters, and crushed ice into a shaker. Shake it well until it's perfectly chilled and blended. Pour it over fresh crushed ice and top with sparkling lemon water. Finish with a dehydrated lemon wheel and delicate edible flowers. Light, floral, and irresistibly refreshing. Honestly, this might be your new favorite drink.